Hey guys, good to see you again. I figured I'd give you a little update on how the CR250 build is coming along. As you could probably guess, the majority of the bike is taken apart and cleaned up at this point. Got the frame, swing arm, and subframe looking fresh. Got a bin full of plastics, some smaller parts over here in these boxes, and up on the table, got some stuff torn apart. Suspension is completely is pretty straightforward. All the spoke nipples have a hex head on the inside of the rim. So I'm just going to use the impact driver to rip this thing apart. spokes on the front wheel were seized up, so disassembly went pretty smoothly. But out of this wheel set, I have 2 bent rims and a bunch of junk spokes on the rear. But really, all I needed were the hubs. So the last step with these is to pull out the bearings, since I will be replacing those. To pull out these bearings, I'll be using a blind bearing puller set. And the nut on the rear hub, this one right here, requires the use of this special tool. I'll put the links to where you can find these tools down in the description. Before pulling the nut off the rear hub, I've got to drill these 2 peen marks. These are what hold the nut in place. Bearings are now out, and you guys know me. I cannot stand to see grimy parts like this. So I'm going to run these things through the parts washer and get them freshened up. Not a bad looking set of hubs. I'm still undecided on what I'm going to do with these, so I might powder coat them myself, send them off to have them coated, or possibly even have them turned. To be honest, I'm kind of leaning towards powder coating them myself. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. And don't forget to go enter the giveaway for the sprocket over on Instagram. On that note, it is time to say goodbye.